Welcome to the presentation on transcoding. Transcoding is understanding a pictographic representation and writing it as a paragraph. Data given as a graph, table, bar chart, pie chart, flow chart, etc. are transcoded in this method. This presentation deals with transcoding a pie chart and writing it as a paragraph. What is a pie chart? It's a type of graph representing data in a circular form, with each slice of the circle representing a fraction or proportionate part of the whole. In this example pie chart, the pie chart represents the number of students in a class as a whole, and the parts represent the favorite sports of a particular group of students. The procedure for transcoding is observe the chart, understand the idea and meaning, and then interpret and infer the messages so that they can be arranged logically. While writing, begin with a topic sentence and continue using discourse markers, which are expressions that show the connection between what is being said to what has already been said or what is going to be said. Discourse markers make a paragraph look better because the monotony of using the same structure of sentences can be avoided. So the keywords for balancing contrasting points are on the other hand, while, whereas. For emphasizing a contrast, the keywords are however, nevertheless, still, yet, in spite of this. And for showing similarity, one can use similarly in the same way. For representing counter arguments, the keywords are however, even so, but, nevertheless, nonetheless. And structuring the sentences can be done using words like first, firstly, second, secondly, third, thirdly. And to present the last point, finally and lastly can be used. Using different forms of the same word can make a sentence look better. Like a verb can be used in particular sentence, can be used as a noun in the other sentence. For example, rise to and a rise. Same way, adjective used in a particular sentence can be used as an adverb in the other sentence. For example, dramatic and dramatically. And when you want to describe no change, words can stay constant, remain stable, steady, maintain the same level, unchanging can be used. To represent the speed of change, words like quick, quickly, sudden, suddenly, rapid, rapidly, slow, slowly can be used. Here is an example pie chart which can help as a guideline for transcoding a pie chart. The first pie chart represents the reasons for cycling to work, and the second pie chart represents the reasons for driving to work. So a paragraph can be written by comparing the data given in these two pie charts. While writing the paragraph, there are certain main features which must be noted down. Once you identify the main features, an introduction has to be written, followed by an overview of the pie chart. The identified main features can be developed as paragraphs in the succeeding paragraphs. So a completed paragraph will look like this. The two pie charts display the key reasons why people choose to either cycle or drive to work by percentage. The largest portion of people who cycle have made this choice for health and environmental reasons, while the prime advantage of driving to work is considered to be the comfort of traveling by car. Notably, for an almost equal proportion of people, their chosen method is the fastest. Taken together, health and fitness and less pollution are reasons given by over half of all people who prefer traveling by bike. Each represents a 30% portion, which is double the next most popular reason, which is a lack of parking issues at 15%. A different set of concerns has affected the decisions of those who choose to commute by car. Comfort is by far the most significant factor at 40% of people, but distance to work is a more important concern for just over a fifth drivers. For 14% of people, a faster journey time is a key factor compared to a figure of 12% of cyclists who find their means of transport quicker. Thank you for listening to the